Today, I am going to tell you a story. A story of a man who didn't just teach physics, he taught hope. A man who proved that success doesn't come from fancy backgrounds, but from unshakable belief in yourself. This is the story of Alak Pandey, the man the world now knows as Physics Wala.
He was born in Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh, in a simple middle-class family. Life was never easy. His father worked hard to make ends meet, and his mother was a homemaker, a pillar of strength. When other kids were thinking about school trips and cricket matches, little Alak was worrying about how to pay his school fees. But you know what? He never complained. Because deep down he had a fire, a dream to do something big.
In school, he loved teaching his friends. Even when he didn't have enough books, he borrowed, read, and explained concepts to others, sometimes better than the teachers themselves. He didn't know it yet, but destiny was already preparing him to become a teacher who would change millions of lives.
After 12th, he took admission in Harcourt Butler Technical University, Kanpur, to study mechanical engineering. But even there, the struggle continued. He gave home tuitions to earn a few hundred rupees. And slowly, he started realizing maybe teaching wasn't just a side job, maybe it was his calling. After completing college, instead of running behind high-paying jobs like everyone else, he chose the road less traveled. He decided to become a teacher, not for money, but for passion. He started teaching in a local coaching center, earning around 5,000 to 10,000 rupees per month. Students loved him, his energy, his jokes, his simple explanations. But one thing hurt him deeply. He saw how expensive education had become, how students with talent were losing dreams because of money. That night, he made a promise to himself. If students can't reach quality education, then I'll take quality education to them. In 2016, sitting in a small room with a whiteboard behind him and a second-hand camera, he created a YouTube channel, Physics Wala. There was no team, no lights, no fancy setup. Just Alexa, his chalk, and his unstoppable energy. He uploaded videos day and night, explaining concepts, cracking jokes, motivating students, and slowly, magic began to happen. Students from villages, towns, and cities started finding his videos, and for the first time they said, "Physics samajh mein aane laga hai." We're finally understanding physics. But success never comes without storms.
Big coaching companies started noticing him, and many tried to buy him out. They offered crores of rupees if he would join them or sell his channel. But Alak sir refused because his goal wasn't profit, it was purpose. He said, education is not for sale, it's a mission. And that one decision changed everything.
Soon, Physics Wala became a revolution. Millions of students started studying from him. He launched the PW app where students could prepare for JEE, NEET, UPSC and more, all at prices anyone could afford. From one small room, Physics Wala became India's 101st unicorn startup, valued at over $1 billion. But Alak sir still lives simply, still teaches, still jokes with his students. Today he's not just an educator, he's a symbol of what passion, honesty and self-belief can create. He built an empire, not with money, but with trust. He proved that you don't need to be born rich to make a difference, you just need a reason to never give up. Life will test you, people will doubt you, but if you stay true to your purpose and if your intentions are pure, The world has to notice you one day. Just like it noticed a boy from Prayagraj who became the teacher of millions. Alakh Pandey, the physics wala. If this story touched your heart, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe, because every click helps us share more stories that inspire.